morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, before starting today's topic, we will revise yesterday's topics that were respiratory system and circulatory system. So, student, first is respiratory system. Respiratory system helps us in breathing. The main function of this system is to take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay, now clear? Now student, nose, windpipe and lungs are main organs of this system. Second is circulatory system. So student, the heart, blood vessels and blood forms our circulatory system. Student, today we will learn about nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. So let's start today's topics. So student, lesson 9, our body. Now first topic is nervous system. Okay. Now the brain, spinal cord and nerves forms our nervous system. Our nervous system controls all actions like reading, writing, playing, crying, laughing, thinking and learning. Okay. Now our brain is protected by the skull. Okay. So student, the nervous system in a human is made of the brain, spinal cord, sensory organs and all the neurons. The nervous system takes in information through our senses, processes the information and trigger reactions such as making your muscles move or causing you to feel pain. Okay. Now student, for example, if you touch a hot plate, you reflexively pull back your hand and your nerves along with sending pain signal to your brain. Okay. Now student, our nervous system consists of brain, okay, now spinal cord and nerves. Okay. Now student, first is brain. You can see in this diagram, this is brain. So student, the brain is one of the largest and most complex organ in the human body. The human brain is the central organ of the human nervous system. The brain is an amazing three-point organ that controls all functions of the body. Our brain is protected by the skull. Okay, student? Student, already I have told you about skull in skeleton system. Okay, now clear? Now student, second is spinal cord. You can see in this diagram, spinal cord. Okay. So this is a spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long, you can see spinal cord is a long, fragile tube-like structure that begins at the end of the brain stem, okay, and continues down almost the bottom of the spine. You can see from the brain stem to the spinal in. Okay. The spinal cord consists of nerves that carry incoming and outgoing messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Third is nerves. You can see nerves are cord-like structure whose primary role is to provide a pathway to conduct electrical impulses throughout the body. It essentially relays information from one part of the body to the another. Now next is excretory system. So waste material like urine and sweat produced in our body are removed through excretory system. Now kidneys, lungs and skin form the excretory system. So student, excretory system, you can see is diagram. This is excretory system. Excretory system regulates the chemical composition of the body fluids by removing metabolic waste and retaining the proper amounts of water, salts and nutrients components of this system. So student, excretory system includes kidneys, liver, lungs and skin. Kidneys are the main organ. Okay, now kidneys are the, you can see this is kidneys. Okay, kidneys are the main organs of the human excretory system. Now next, reproductive system. The organs of reproductive system help to produce young ones. So this system helps to continue the life cycle of particular species and maintains the extensions. Then exercise. Regular exercise helps to keep our body healthy. Yoga, swimming, jogging, walking, running and cycling are different forms of exercises. So for sure it improves our blood. Okay, now our blood circulation and also keeps our heart healthy. So now student, now let's do an activity. Okay, now match the sense organs with their functions. One has been done for you. Okay, now with the help of hand we can feel the ice cube. Okay, now ice cube. Second is nose. With the help of nose we can smell the fragrance of an incense stick. Okay, so now we can match the second one with the D. Okay, now third is ear. With the help of ear we can listen to music using headphone. Okay, now with the C. Clear? Fourth is eyes. With the help of eyes we can read book. Okay, now we can read book. Okay, now student, fifth is tongue. With the help of tongue we can taste the cake. Okay, now so student, today I explained nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. Hope it would be clear. Now student, homework, read today's topic carefully. Have a nice day. Thank you.